Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope you all guys will be definitely fit and fine. And I Yashoda welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Dehati Madam. Friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to improve your English. Friends, in order to speak English, everyone wants to know the easiest way to improve your English. Friends, in today's video I am going to share with you method that I have used to improve my English, and believe me friends, you will also improve your English by using this method. If you will use this method, then definitely you will improve your English very soon. Friends, I'm not mention a particular time that how much time you will need to improve your English. It depends on person to person. Because if there is a person who gives 3 or 4 hours to improve their English, and on the other hand there is a person who gives only 10 minutes or 20 minutes, then how can both of them will be able to improve their English in the same time of period? So it's all up to you. How much time will you give it? How much earlier you will learn English? You will improve your English. So friends, I think without any delay, we have to start our video. So let's get started video. So friends, my first point is that I want to give you my first tip is that stop listening or watching Hindi movies or Hindi content. Friends, if you want to speak English, if you want to improve your English, then stop watching the Hindi content. In order to speak English, you have to start watching English content. You will have to start watching everything. If you want to watch a movie, if you want to listen a song, then you will have to watching or listening all these things in English. In order to improve your English, you have to practice, you have to listen all these things, you have to watch all these things in English. Friends, we know we know that we will in a whole day we will spend most of our time in watching movies, listening songs, and many other types of content that we like. If you are a student, and if you are interested in cartoons, love stories, um, animated stories, then you will have to start watching these content in English. Okay friends, I think you will get my point. Now the second point, is speak. Yes friends, speak. Speaking, I'm not means by speaking that you will have to speak throughout your whole day in English. I'm just want to say that if you are a beginner and you want to improve your English, then you will have to start from the basics. If you are very basics level, then you will have to start from speaking by speaking single word. You will have to start speaking single words, like you want to ask your mom that माँ आपने खाने में क्या बनाया है, then you will say that in English, mom आपने breakfast में क्या बनाया है. Try to implement these short words, and by using these short words you will be able to improve your English. You will see the results after a month, after a single month, or after 2 months. You will definitely see the results. And if you are, when after that you will have to speak a short sentences. If you have a younger brother, then you will have to try to talk to himself, and you can use to talk to himself like this: Rohan, can you give me your pencil? Can you pass the salt? Can you learn English? Can you speak English? Or put your clothes, wash your hands before eating your food. Okay, friends, you have to start from a single steps. You have to you need to just only take a single step towards your speaking. In order to speak English, in order to improve your English speaking, you have to just take action. Only by action, only by speaking, you can improve your English, definitely. And you will be happy after seeing result. It will not happen in a single day or a 1 month. It will take a long time, but it's okay. If you are ready, if you are ready to give your time, if you are ready to give your full time to English, then you will definitely speak English. It's all up to you how much you are curious about it. You have to obsessed with English in order to speak English. And my third point is my third point is to enhance your vocabulary. Friends, in order to improve our English, we must have to enhance your vocabulary, because without having vocab, we can't speak English fluently. Friends, in order to speak English, we must have to know the vocab also. And I'm not saying that you have to learn 50 or 60 words in a single day. No, you don't need to do this. You only have to pick one or two words and try to write. First, you have to pick up two words and then try to write 50 or 20 sentences in your notebook, and then try to use these words throughout your whole day in your conversation. Believe me, friends, if you are using these tricks, then you will definitely improve your English. And if you are learning two vocabs in a single day, then in a month you will be able to learn 60 vocabs. And I think if you are a beginner, then it's a very important and very useful for you to enhancing your vocabulary. Because sometimes, because tell me why we are not able to speak English. Because we don't have enough vocab. We don't know about enough vocab. And whenever we going to conversation with anyone, and the same vocab will never come in your mind, and we will get stuck, and we are get stuck. So that in order to improve your English, in order to enhance your vocabulary, you will have to enhance your vocabulary and just start this journey from one or two words. And when you will get habitual to this, then you will take 3 or 4 words. Okay, friends? Now, friends, my last point is always be motivated. Friends, this is a journey of learning English, and in this journey, sometimes we will get demotivated. And so that I'm telling you, always be motivated. Why I'm telling you to be motivated? Because motivation helps a lot to maintain our confidence. I'm telling you by an example. Did you ever listen about Thomas Alva Edison? In order to make a light bulb, he had tried 10,000 times. So we have to learn from them. We have to learn from these persons. In throughout their whole life period, Thomas Alva Edison invented many kind of things that we are using in our daily life. And if he can do such a big thing in his life, then if even we are not able to learn just a language, English is just a language. It's not a big deal. We have to learn English in the same order how we learn Hindi. Okay, friends? So never be get motivated, always be motivated and maintain your confidence while speaking English. If other person makes fun of you, then it's okay. You will be happy that you are able to make other persons laugh. So friends, never so so friends, I'm telling you, you have to encounter these problems, and in order to learn English, you will have to curious about things. You will have to get obsessed in English. Give your full time to learn English, to improve your English. Friends, I think you will get my point, and I think from now on you will be ready to learn English, to improve your English in order to be a good English speaker. I think friends, it's enough for today, and if you like my video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and please comment me in the comment box, and we will meet again in the next video. Till then, be careful, take care of yourself, always be healthy, and keep speaking English in order to improve your English. And we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.